mince pies were made for the Scout Carol Service. 629 pies were made in all. 339 had sugar on them. 148 had an orange glaze. How many had neither? Once again, don't be tempted to do this in your head, because that's how the silly mistake fairy will come and fart in your ear. Right, so we've got 629 altogether. Let's take away the 339 with the sugar on them. So that's naught, borrow, use whatever method suits you. Different people have got different methods. 2. And then take away those with the orange glaze. 8, 10, 10, take away 8 is 2, 4, 1, 142. Another way, if you were then checking it, if you had time at the end and you wanted to check it, never rub out your workings. You won't have time. The other way of doing it is you add up the number that had some sort of topping, 339 plus 148, 17, 8, 4, and then take that away from your 629. It's essentially the same thing. Take away, right, though, I tend to forget what it is I'm up to. 2, borrow, 5, carry the 1, 12, 4, 140. That's how you would check it. Thank you.